We all remember the snow that fell in the recent winter storm. So do the firefighters who were on shift at Station 51 in Carbondale.
Well, we've cleaned, let's see, at that point, I think about 6 or 7 times. That was Sunday during the storm.
There's a lot of ground to cover or uncover when it snows at the fire headquarters. Firefighter Robert Flynn says city crews and neighboring first responders were able to lend a hand on the driveway, but then came the sidewalks that stretch along 6th Avenue and South Main Street.
We do have a snowblower in the station, however, it was not working at the time. We were doing a little bit of work to it, so we had to come out with shovels just to ensure the safety of our residents here.
It was on his last time out when Flynn and another member of the department heard the rumble of a motor and a plow blade scraping by.
He went down the block, turned around, and came back and started plowing for us.
The mystery man, or kid on a quad, saved the firefighters the back-breaking work of hand-shoveling the hundreds of feet of sidewalk. When they tried to pay him for a job well done, the money was reluctantly accepted, and another act of kindness was brought back in return.
You know, he came back with a bunch of munchkins after my partner had given him a couple bucks, whatever, just to, say thank you. He didn't want to take it at all, and it was just a great gesture. I mean, and that's indicative of the people of Carbondale. They're awesome for us.
A big thank you and an invitation to the young man to stop by the department is out there for a gesture Flynn says helped make the storm a little less bitter. Jack Culkin, Newswatch 16, Lackawanna County.